Time to get to review the trading activities today as the NSC I beg your pardon, as the activities joining me to look at these now is Mr. Sanusi Dele, who is CEO GLD Stockbroker Limited. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Sanusi. We appreciate you. Let's look at today's trading activity. We saw that the market gained about 0.32% to close the day. Talk to us. What more do we have to know?
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me. Today, the market went off our share index. It closed on the north side of the 0.37. And you are going to see there are so many gainers there compared to the losers. This shows that there are so many potential in the market. People are trying to reposition. Because if you look at it, from the beginning of the year, markets have been somewhere a little bit good, and we still expect a little rally before the end of the year. So people are trying to take position before the veto out. So we have the likelihood of Analyses. Analyses is doing a bonus 2 for 3, and that's what people are trying to get it so that they can be a partaker of that juicy opportunity. Also yesterday, we see that Brass Cement went down yesterday, but today it came back to its position to about 102 naira, and also actually today also we look at the banking sector. They are the one that really make the market to gain. But almost all the banks, they gain today.
Okay. Talk to us, what is likely to drive the market going forward? What sentiments are likely to play out in the market?
If we look at the market, market tell us the direction of the economy. What is happening in the economy is a reflection of what you are seeing in the market. So we are still expecting good policy from the people, our leader, because all these policies are very, very important. Not only that, the FX also is very, very important. The availability and liquidity of the FX so that the foreign investor can come in. And if you look at, the fuel now is somewhere a little bit high, so the cost of production for the companies that are consumer goods, the people that are using energy, it's really affecting them. So it may affect them. So if the crude oil price can somewhere a little bit, the availability of the petrol, then the price also is very, very important. The price can come down a little bit so that the company can declare a good result, which will really impact their bottom line. So those are the things that will really make the market to go in a positive direction.
Well, we do know that the inflation figure is expected to be out tomorrow. And of course, we want to know how market operators are, anticipating those important figures.
If we look at the inflation, if you look at our inflation, the inflation, how do we really measure the inflation? It's going to the market. I get what I'm saying. Tomorrow I don't even want to say anything about the inflation figures. That's going to. But what I know that the inflation is somehow affecting the market. Normally affects it, and because the cost, the take home people, the take home of people cannot really sustain them. So because of inflation, we look at the cost.
All right.
Cost now, the cost is very high.
Okay.
So it's going to really affect people, the disposable income for them to really invest.
Okay. I think we just have to leave it there. Thank you so much for your time. CEO, GDL Stockbroker Limited, Mr. Dele Sanusi. Thank you for your time on Business Nigeria. Let's take a